question which says three particles each of mass m equal to 1 kg are located at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 4 meter. The speed at which they must move to revolve in a circular orbit under the influence of mutual gravitational force circumscribing and preserving the equilateral triangle is v equal to n root under g, then the value of n is. So first we will draw the diagram here. Okay, we are taking a circle. This one is a circle, and inside this circle we are having an equilateral triangle like this. Okay, this one is the equilateral triangle here. Okay, so three particles are kept at the vertices. Mass is 1 kg each. 1 kg. This one is also 1 kg, and this one is also 1 kg. And what is the side here? The side is 4 meter. 4 meter and 4 meter. This one is an equilateral triangle, and the particles are moving in a circular path, and the shape of the triangle is also not disturbed. Means this one is moving in this direction, this one is moving in this direction, and this one is moving in this direction, and the shape of the circle is maintained. Means after some time the equilateral triangle will be like this. I can't draw by this. Okay, so the shape of the equilateral triangle will be just give me a minute. So the shape will be like this. Okay, this, and the particles will reach in this position. Okay, now after that the shape will be like this. Means this goes on, means the path is circular for the particles. This particle is moving in this direction, this particle in this direction, and this is in this direction, but the shape of the equilateral triangle must be maintained. Suppose initially the position is like this as shown in the figure. So on this particle, the force of attraction by this particle and this particle will be in this direction F and in this direction F, and both the F are at an angle of 60 degree. So this one is 30 and this one is also 30. Means we will get here F cos 30 from both sides. F cos 30 from both sides means 2F cos 30 net force, and the F sin 30 will be cancelled out in opposite direction. So the net force experienced by the particle towards the center is 2F cos 30. Okay, 2F cos 30. This is the net force experienced by the circle towards the center of the sphere. This is the net force experienced by the particle towards the center of the circle. Okay. Now what we will do here? Now this centripetal force, this becomes the centripetal force, is balanced by the outward centrifugal force mv square upon r, where r is the radius of this circle. So we will calculate the value of r here. Okay, so this one is what is the value of this one? This is the radius. Okay, this one is the radius. This one is the radius r, and if we will calculate the value of this, then we can find the value of the radius here. Okay, so as we know that in case of equilateral triangle, the centroid divides it in 2:1 ratio. So this one is a, this one is a by 2. So the height is a square minus a by 2, 3 root 3 a by 2. Okay, root 3 a by 2. So the value is divided into ratio 2:1. So this one is 1 upon 3. So a upon 3. Suppose the side is a. So a upon 3. The ratio is 2:1. So you can write it as so this one is a by 2. This is a. So this height will be root 3 a by 2. So root 3 a by 2. And what is its 1/3 value? 1/3. So it will be a by 2 root 3. Okay, so this one is a by 2 root 3, and this one is a by 2. So what is this? So it will be a square by 4 plus a square upon 4 into 3, 12 upon root. Pythagoras theorem we are using here. Okay, so this will be 12 4 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4a square upon 12. So it will be 2a upon 2 root 3. So 2 or 2 cancelled. So this will be a by root 3. So we have calculated the value of radius here. So radius is a upon root 3, and this 2f cos theta must be balanced by the mv square by r, otherwise the circle will not be formed here. Okay, so the centripetal force is balanced by the centrifugal force. Now 2f, f is g m1 m2, the mass are same, so g m1 m2 upon we know the side here, the side is a, so a square, g m1 m2 by r square, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 equals to mass m, v square upon r, r is a upon root 3. So root 3 is cancelled here, a1a and mass 1 m. So now we find here as v square equals to 2gm upon 2 is also cancelled out. So gm upon a, gm upon a. So v is equal to root under gm upon a, and g, don't put the value of g because the option is given in terms of g. So mass is 1 kg and the side is 4 meters, so it will be 1 upon 4. So this is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 root g. So 1 by 2 root g, that means 0.5 root g. So this is the value of n. So v equals to n root g. So n is 1 by 2 or 0.5. So 0.5 is the correct answer here. So n is equals to 0.5. I hope that this cleared your doubt. Thank you.